How to change name on Facebook. Click on Settings and Privacy. Click on Accounts Center. Click on Review Changes. Click on Save Changes to change name. Thanks for watching.